Hi everyone, Matt Watson here. So I've got an old school, naturally aspirated drag race for you here today. So I'm sat in a B8 Audi RS4. Next to me is a W204 Mercedes C63 AMG, and next to that is a BMW M3 E90. Oh yeah. Let me talk about the engines. This Audi has a 4.2 litre naturally aspirated V8 with 450 horsepower and 430 newton meters of torque. It's got a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox, obviously quattro all-wheel drive. It's rather lovely, this one. In fact, it's worth £29,000. In terms of weight, a bit heavy because of that all-wheel drive system. It's almost 1,800 kilos. That Mercedes, your car's looking funny. It's like the suspension's failed. You've got air ride, haven't you? Can you just pop it back up again, please? Yeah, that's better. A bit more respectable. So that has a 6.2 litre naturally aspirated V8 with 460 horsepower and 600 newton meters of torque. It's also got a 7-speed automatic gearbox, but I think it's got a wet clutch or something. Anyway, it's not a dual clutch. Plus, it's rear-wheel drive, so that thing's worth about 19 grand, though that air ride system, it's an extra 2 grand if you want to be able to stance your car out. That thing weighs 1,700 kilos or thereabouts. Finally, we come to the BMW. So that has a 4 litre naturally aspirated V8 with 420 horsepower and 400 newton meters of torque. It's got a 7-speed dual clutch automatic gearbox. It's rear-wheel drive. It weighs in at 1,600 kilos, and a car like that will set you back around £25,000. Now, before we get into the drag race, please make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so you're alerted when we make a new upload. If you don't do that bell icon thing, you're going to miss all the updates. You really will, so make sure you do that. Also, why not follow me on Instagram at Matt Watson Cars. Now, the guys who've lent us these cars, if you want to follow them on Instagram to follow about their cars, the link's in the description, so go do that. All right? Cool. That launch was awesome. Come on, RS4. I didn't think it would be this easy. It's done it. Oh, the BMW's catching up now. So is the Mercedes. So what happened in the Mercedes? Were you sleeping or something?
No, he just really struggled to put his power down for about the first 100 metres there. I wouldn't mind another go after a bit of a tyre warm.
Alright, do you know what? I'm going to give him another chance. The tyres weren't warm. Rear-wheel drive cars, no problem for me, because I've got quattro all-wheel drive, so I'm going to let them warm up their tyres. Go on then, Mercedes, do what you need to do. Finish now. Did I say follow me on Instagram? Or are you busy watching that? I'll tell you what I noticed then, other than just the smoke, how awesome those cars sound. So quickly, let's just do a quick sound check. That sounds sweet. They all sound awesome. Which one do you think sounds the best? Click on the pop-out banner up there to cast your vote. You done it? Let's do the race again.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, good start. That Mercedes had a good launch. Oh, he's taking me now. He actually had a wicked launch. That BMW just failed. That Mercedes is quicker. What happened?
It decided it was going to go into neutral. It was in one, and then it just put itself into neutral and just then went into first.
I don't think he had it in launch control. I think he might have been out of gear. Claims it suddenly went into neutral. I'm not so sure. I'm happy to do it again because that Mercedes actually had a better launch than me, even though I've got quattro. His reactions are slightly better. Right, wake up, Matt. Wake up. Come on. Wake up. Let's try again.
3, 2, 1.
Yes, good launch. I'm not doing it again. This is how it's going to play out. Oh crap. Oh crap. Oh crap, oh crap. No, come on, Audi. Beat the BMW. BMW, what happened here?
It started all right, but just not as fast as the Merc.
Mercedes though. Oh my God, I almost swore then, sorry. That hauls, doesn't it? That is so quick.
Yeah, warm tyres, and launch control worked probably that time, and although the Audi got off the line better, it just pulled, and yeah, came past.
So then what exactly happened? Well, the Mercedes-AMG C63 crossed the line first, doing the standing quarter mile in 12.6 seconds. In second place was the Audi RS4, which did a time of 12.7 seconds. Last was the BMW M3, which completed the standing quarter mile in 12.9 seconds.
So now we can have a rolling race from 50 miles an hour, cars in comfort and in drive, just cruising along, chilling out, and then all of a sudden some idiot goes 3, 2, 1, go! Kick down. Oh, kick down good. It's only the BMW, and now the Merc's off. Bye. Bye, Mercedes. Me and the BMW are pretty much even Stevens-ish. Show, I think, is just increasing his lead slightly. That's enough of that. Come on, we know what happened there. The Audi lost. See, they have an advantage now. Two-wheel drive rather than four-wheel drive. If your engine's having to drive all four wheels, then it's losing some power. It's not putting all that power down onto the road. It's having to take effort to turn all those extra drive shafts and all that kind of stuff. Combine that with the added weight, because it's heavier, it's always going to struggle, even though it's got more power than the BMW. Right, let's try another challenge. Now we're going to do the same rolling race again, 50 miles an hour, but this time in sports mode, locked in third gear. See what happens this time. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh yeah, this picked up sweet ass. Oh crap. There goes the Mercedes. Oh man, the BMW. Is he going to come past at high speed? I'm going to have to put that down just in case something happens. He's just inching ahead, but look how far ahead that Mercedes is. On the Autobahn, that Mercedes has got to its destination first, just as. It's probably also just run out of fuel first as well, but there we go. Poor Audi. It's not winning anything, apart from looks. Wins on looks. Finally then, we're going to the brake test. Full emergency stop for 70 miles an hour. When we hit the line, slam on the anchors, see which car stops in the shortest distance. Cruising at 70, all of a sudden, a dog runs out in front of you. You have to brake very quickly. Which car will kill the dog? Let's find out. Yeah, well there we go, the BMW killed the dog. Bad BMW. Bad.
Yeah! Awesome time!
Anyway, let's see what's happened. Bizarrely, even though this is the heaviest car, it did the second best. I think the Mercedes might have just edged it. Did you brake well enough, BMW?
Yeah, as well as I could.
I don't know if that's a yes. It's like as well as I could, but I'm crap at braking. I don't know. Come on, Audi. Let's... Well, I didn't have to go far to check that. It's clearly the Mercedes beat the Audi. Oh, didn't win anything. Oh well, still love you. Now, if you love these videos, like I said, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon to turn your notifications on. And please follow me on Instagram at MattWatsonCars. And if you want to follow the guys that own those two cars and see more about them, their Instagram accounts are linked below. Thanks for watching.